council's really supported Women to Web because we recognise that women in business is a priority. The council's open for business and women need to be a part of that as much as men. We were noticing that more men were coming forward for grant applications, for support, and we weren't getting the same interest from women. And we know they're in business, we know they're doing things, but they weren't coming forward. And we recognise that's possibly a confidence issue. So Women to Web really aims to bridge that gap to get people coming forward, starting their businesses, growing their business, have the confidence to really take on their passion and turn it into what they love doing. Women to Web is something different, and I think that's shown there's a need. We've supported over 500 women.
It's given me a lot of confidence actually. So it was quite easy really, I could just sign up online to the first course. So I went along. I was really nervous because I'd never, I was just starting out and I thought, oh, what's it going to be like? But it was lovely, lots of friendly people in the same boat. And I came away feeling really positive. I was like, oh right, okay, I think I might be able to do this.
Women to Web is a sort of digital training programme at its heart, its essence, but it's about people starting their businesses, growing their businesses or returning to work with digital in mind. So they might be doing job searches on LinkedIn, they might be putting their business online, taking e-commerce sales for the first time. It's really embedding that confidence that people can use digital.
There are lots of different courses that Women to Web offer. For instance, there's content management of websites, building websites, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, all these kinds of things. There's a course there, something for everyone.
By joining the Women to Web, you are more savvy about the suppliers that you need to employ for your website or for your social media, and you know how to ask the right questions so you get the right answers from them.
Even if you have perhaps run a business before or something, it's always good to top up your skills, but also for those new in business, not really knowing how to use things to their best advantage. Meeting other people on the same journey, you can share tips. It has actually helped me to make more money in my business and get more clients. So some of the ladies I've actually met on the networking have then obviously gone on to become clients.
So I think there's a whole raft of people who are in business and are very good at business but have never taken that digital journey. And this is where Women to Webs come in, and you can work from home, you don't have to be in an office environment, and people have the flexibility to run a business from anywhere, and that's with the power of using superfast broadband and digital tools.
A recent customer came all the way from West Africa, and they found me through social media, and they said, yeah, but we are going to come to Worcestershire and we want to book a class with you. So that was one of my achievements recently with Women to Web.
I think that's one of the key selling factors for Women to Web, that people just come away with friends rather than colleagues, and the number of collaborations we've seen in women doing business together or doing business with each other to strengthen their own business.
There's something about getting women together that is just really brilliant, I think. We support each other in a way that you don't get when you get mixed networking. And I think the range of businesses in the Worcestershire area is amazing, and I love coming and finding out what everyone's doing and learning how we can all work together to support each other.
Well, I think events like this are really useful because it takes people out of their normal comfort zone. So they come, they can listen, they've created some space, so that tells them that's a really, they're important, what they're doing is important. They just share their ideas with everybody, so it's great.
The future of Women to Web is we're hoping to keep the programme going beyond the life of the funding we've had from the Government Equalities Office. It's a really powerful movement of women, and they're really keen to see that continue. So we as a council are taking it forward, we'll continue the networking, we'll continue some of the training sessions, because we as a council see the value of continuing the work that the funding has already provided.
The legacy of Women to Web for me was the fact that I was able to talk to other networkers from Women to Web and start a spin-off group, which I'm really proud of. We meet once a month and discuss marketing ideas, how to sell, because working for yourself is quite insular.
We've seen so many people more trading online, and that legacy will continue because the more they trade online, these things grow, they snowball. The more confident you get on Twitter, the more hits you'll get, that sort of thing. And there's a natural legacy there for people who are growing and increasing their businesses.